June 10th, 2026. We're at the old Fair Oaks Bridge. We're at the first barn owl cave, and we have a male and a female barn owl sleeping in the cave. Doesn't look like they're laying on eggs or anything. They're just sitting there sleeping, standing there sleeping. So I guess they're just using the cave to roost in. They're not making babies no more, apparently. Anyway, if you like mama and daddy barn owls sleeping in their cave at the old Fair Oaks Bridge first cave, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much.